Hey guys, it is Stock Lock Sunday and it's time to find the lock in the cabinet. And I think actually we will want one of these. Let's go to the table. I was asked if I could try that boxer, so let's do that one. Alright. I can't remember who, but I was asked if I could try this boxer next, and well, I couldn't because there was Challenge Lock Wednesday and Naughty Bucket Friday and then Crappy Picks Saturday before I came to the Stock Lock Sunday, so but now I can, so let's give it a go. And to be honest, I did try it out off camera and managed to open it, but only one time, and that is a couple of days ago, so I don't really have a feeling for it, but I will say it's a crappy lock. But it's a fun lock, and I like the name. That was not the tensioner. Where is it? I think this is the one. That seems more right. Alright. Let's try. Left on 1. Click on 2. 3. Back to 1. 2. 1 again. And we open. The feedback on these standard pins are so clear that you just can feel where the which pin you need to set. And I'm actually not sure about how many pins there is. There's 4 pins, but I don't have to touch pin 4. Okay, let's see, we have some time left. Let's zoom out and then I will try to rake. Come on, there we go. Rake, rock and sip and see what works. I have tried to bypass, by the way, but it doesn't work, so just to see if it worked, but it don't. Let's see here, this one, the worm rake. Well, you sort of have to do some rocking SPPing motion there in the end, but you do open these with worm rakes, so that works. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, let's try to rock it. That works very well. And then sipping it with a W rake. Okay, that was way too easy. So all in all, not really a very good lock, but I love the name, so that is going for my collection. Now I just stupid enough, but I do have to pick it again because I want it on the padlock rack. But we'll see if I can do it as easy again. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is not as easy the second time to sip it, but with a little bit of extra SPPing it works. Alright guys, that was all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.